about the Moon Day. July 20 is celebrated as the National Moon Day every year because it was back on July 20, 1969 when Neil Armstrong became the first ever person to land on the moon. Can anyone recollect the words of Neil Armstrong? Yes, you are right. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The person who loves the moon is called as selenophile. Who was the first person to land on? Who was the first Indian to land on the moon? Yes, you are right. Here he is. Hi, I'm Rakesh Sharma, the wing commander and the first Indian citizen into space. In 1970, I have joined the Indian Air Force as a pilot. In 1984, on April 3rd, I flew to space and spent 7 days, 21 hours, 40 minutes aboard the Salyut 7 space station. Upon my return from space, I was conferred the honor of the Hero of the Soviet Union and was also awarded the India's highest peacetime gallantry award, the Ashok Chakra. My message to this young generation is to be strong enough to achieve your dreams and goals. All the very best. Happy Moon Day. Thank you, Mami and Reta. Here comes Kanishka and Nishita to enhance about another significance of the day. It's International Chess Day. Namaste. Good morning to one and all present here. To